Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Phil and I'm a boy who really enjoys playing with makeup. So for today's look, we're going to dive into this blue eyeshadow look and accent with the blue highlighter. So yeah, without further ado, let's dive on into this look. Alrighty, now let's get started with this look. So first we're going to start with primer. We're going to go with the Bobbi Brown primer and going with this brush and just put it all over my face. Next we're going to go with this Smashbox water primer and just spray it all over the bam, done. Next we're going to go in with this Maybelline SuperStay full coverage foundation. Now this is brand new to me. I have tried it out once and I did like it, so here we go. Don't forget the neck. Now we're going to go in with this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Put this all over our T-zone. And then we're just going to go on in and buff it out. Next we're going to go into this Coty Airspun setting powder. Oh, look at that. Take this powder puff out and just gonna go right on with our sponge and just set our concealer. Set the rest of the face. We're going to go in with Giorgio Luminous Silk Foundation. Just dust that everywhere. Next, we're going to contour with my very used and abused Kat Von D Shade and Light contour palette. Look at that. She has been used. We're going to go in and contour the nose. Next we're going to go in and take the brightening powders, brighten the nose, as well as under the eyes. Ooh, that was a lot of powder. Oh, that was a lot of powder. Going with this big brush, dip into the contour shade, and chisel out the jawline. Now, as I'm looking in the mirror, I'm seeing patch areas. I don't think I'm a big fan of this concealer. There was a reason why I stopped using it, and I see why. I normally stick to my IT Cosmetic concealer, and I should have done that. Next, we're going to go with my favorite step, highlighting. So today, we're going to go with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Platinum Ice Power Skin Frost Pro Palette. Oh, look at that. We're going to go with the shade Glacier. Oh my god, yes, 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 yes. That Cupid's bow. Go we're doing the nose. And everything else. And then to give my highlight that like extra glow, I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated and the Luminous shade. Just go in. Dig in. I don't care if I overdo, whatever. Next, we're gonna do eyebrows. So we're gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade. Because I got some thick eyebrows that need to be laid down. So the trick here is to make your eyebrows look like sisters, not like twins, because, you know, they're not going to be symmetrical. But bitch, that's what makeup's for. It's for making them look symmetrical. The glitter from the highlights like all over my brows. Pro tip, do eyebrows last after highlight so that, you know, you just brush off the glitter. Well, I don't know if it's a pro tip, but it's my tip. I use this brush so long that I don't even know. Yeah, literally, this brush, I use it up so much that literally the writing on it has scratched up. So sad. I mean, no, because I mean, like, this was like, what, $15? Makeup brushes are ridiculously expensive. Like, just a piece of wood with like bristles all over it. Like, calm down. I'm sure everyone can relate to me on that one. Next, we're gonna go with the MAC Paint Pod, and I'm gonna use this to clean up under my eyebrows. I cannot with this concealer, honestly. It's cracking so bad underneath. Maybe I can save it somehow. We're going to spray some Fix Plus on the Beauty Blender. Beauty Blender. Yeah, right. This is Morphe. Nope, that just made it worse. Take the dry side and just... Oh, God. You're doing me so wrong. Oh my god, it's like not covering anything. Hopefully on camera, since you're far away, it doesn't look like anything. But now we're going to go in with the eyes. So we're going to go ahead and do that blue smoky eye, halo eye. So the main star of the show is going to be the Kylie Cosmetic Peach Palette. It's going to be that royal shade. I already primed my lips using the Painterly Paint Pod. So first we're going to go into the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Androgyny palette and dip into the shade Safe Word and use that as our transition shade. Next, we're just going to dive on into the blue. Now, since we're working with this bright, vibrant color, my advice to you is to just work in small areas and work real slow. So we're just going to take this and put it all over the lid, except the center. Just pack it slowly. Don't worry about blending, just pack it in. Once you have a desired amount on, you can kind of sort of go in and blend out the outer edges and then kind of connect the top. Next, we're going to dive back into the Androgyny palette, and we're going to go in with the shade Swallow just to deepen up the crease. Dip in a little bit. And then here you can then blend all you want. Next, we're going to go into the Kylie Cosmetics bronze palette and just dabble a little into the black. Like just deepen up that outer edge. Alright, next we're going to go back to the Painterly Pink Pod by MAC and just carve out the middle. Alright, so to fill the empty space, we're going to go back into the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Pro highlighter palette and go back in with Glacier and fill that space in. You know what, we're going to amp it up a notch. We're going to wet the brush. Oh my god, there we go. Alright, and then to bring it back to be a little bit more clean, I'm going to go back into the Kylie palette. Take the shade. Next, we're going to go back into Swallow to smoke out the under eye. And then with the same brush, we're going to go back into the Royal Blue. And mixing in with the bottom. Then we're going to take the Glacier shade again with the wet brush and just highlight the inner corner. Next, I'm going to do lashes and eyeliner. I'm going to do them off camera, but I'm going to be using the Makeup Shop lashes in style Dragon Eye. So I'll be right back. Alright, and we're back. So for the waterline, I went in with the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. And then for the top liner, I went in with the NYX gel liner, and then as I said before, I went in with the Makeup Shack lashes. And no matter how many times I put on lashes, it never seems to get any easier. But to make it somewhat easier, I went in with these little lashes applicators. It makes it slightly a little bit easier to put them on. So if you have trouble, the little lash applicator. Next, the lips. We're going to go in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in shade Manniquin. Alright, and we're all done. Last but not least, setting spray. So today we're going to go with the Ultra setting spray and just spray all over the face. This one's a little hard to press. So. Alrighty, anyone, and this is the final look. Now, I really love the way it turned out. I love the way the two blue eyeshadows mixed together. You know, people always try to shade Kylie, but I have to say, out of all the looks I've done, every time I wear her stuff, I always get a lot of compliments out of it. So, she's definitely an option. Now let's go in with products that are new to me. This foundation, I love it a lot. I have dry skin, so matte foundations are like things that I run away from. But this one looks really good. I mean, it did kind of get into my fine lines a little bit, but nothing that a little beauty blending can't get out. And then next, this eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. Normally I don't work with eyeliners, but this one was just so easy to work with, and it just looks so like cute with a little frosted glass. So yeah. But honestly, every time I try NYX products, I'm never disappointed. Like, I definitely need to start using more of their products. Now, products that flopped for me, which is kind of odd because I've been using this product for quite some time. It's going to be this product. But I guess we all have that product that we buy and we love, and then we look at it in real lighting and we're like, oh my god, what the hell? Now, it could be because the way that it interacted with the foundation, but honestly, it's like cracking already. I can already see lines. Like, I think it's time to retire that out of my makeup kit. So yeah. And I didn't really show on camera, but I was using Sephora Dry Clean brush spray. And I have to say, like, having this as you're doing your makeup is so good, because if you're like doing like a real intense blue eyeshadow look, you just want to clean out your brush like real quick. Just like spray it and then just wipe it. And then it like gets most of it out, just so that you don't have to like deep cleanse your brushes every time you use it. And it works. I mean, obviously this doesn't replace, deep cleansing your brushes, but this definitely, extends that time to when you don't have to. Because, let's face it, we all hate cleaning our brushes. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, then hit the like button. And if you enjoyed me, then show me some love and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to get alert every time I upload. I haven't officially decided an uploading schedule, but I do have one in mind. But we'll see how this goes. But thank you very much for watching my video, and have an awesome day.